Hello everybody, I want to show you this video some hidden secret codes at the Huawei Y6 in the version of 2019. So let us start. So to have the codes we need the dialer, and we will start with the project menu. So for that we dial star hash star. So now we are in the project menu, and we have many settings here, like the background settings. Then we have some VINIA informations, so the version info, and also the manufacturer infos, so the other infos, and so on and so on. So we have network information queries, PLM info, and so on and so on. And yeah, we can make a software upgrade, and yeah, for the memory card here, so we don't do that. And yeah, we can make a factory data reset here as well, so we can delete all the phone. And we have here an interesting point, the battery charge. We see that the charge has completed. We have a battery level of 72%. The battery temperature is as well with 27 degrees. And so everything is well here, because the battery level has to be would be the best if it's at 60 to 75 percent. And yeah, the temperature is below 7 degrees, so 27, because that is the perfect temperature here your phone can have. Okay, then let us go back, and yeah, well, let's come to the next point about phone. It's star hash 0000 hash star. Okay, here we have some information about the phone. It's just a bit. And yeah, then I have also the calendar info. It is star hash 225 hash star. So that's the calendar info. We have 33 events, and unsaved also 33. These are my three codes I wanted to show you. And yeah, I hope it was a bit interesting for you. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment, or maybe a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.